Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we received the Huawei Watch Metro 2 smartwatch, and on this video, we are going to have the unboxing review of its design, the specs, and the UI. So if you are interested to know more about the Watch Metro 2 smartwatch, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and have the unboxing review of the Huawei Watch Metro 2. Before we unpack and check out the contents of the Metro 2, let's check out first the packaging. So it is somewhat similar to the previous Huawei smartwatch, simple with a lot of details for its features and specs. So we have here Huawei Smartwatch Sport, Health and Data Monitoring Smartwatch. Okay, we have the pink color, Youth in Motion. So we have here the QR code for the support app. It is available on Android and iOS. On the other side, we do have the details here for the features and specs. So we have the screen here, lightweight body, and we have multi-sports mode. At the back, we have another specs here. We have the Bluetooth version 5.0 and IP68 waterproof rated. So simple packaging, but I think it's decent. Okay, it's durable. So let's check out the contents of the smartwatch. Let's remove the plastic first. Again, this is the Huawei Watch Metro 2 smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. Next, let's check out the package contents. So we have here the smartwatch with the strap attached already. Nice. We have charging cable, USB Type A, Pogo pin, and of course we have the user manual available in different languages. Let's put this back. Again, here are the contents of the Huawei Watch Metro 2. We have the smartwatch with the strap attached, the charging cable, and the user manual. Okay, next, let's check out the dimension and weight of the smartwatch before we proceed to the design. So let's check out the weight first of the wearable. So let's put this aside. We'll check out the user manual later. So we have here our weighing scale, 0, and let's check with the strap attached. So it is around 35.50. Very lightweight smartwatch. Again, so 35.54 or 53. For the dimension, so 0, let's check. Body width, we have 37. Okay, 37.8 here. Again, let's make it sure. 37.5. Then for the length, we have 45.9 or around 46. Again, so 45.9. Then for the thickness, 11.8. 11.8 for the thickness. For the strap width, I think it is a standard 0.22 millimeter for the strap. .27 here, so 21.6. So if I'm going to measure it here on the edge, it is around 0.22. So 21.5 here. I think it's 0.22. Okay, cannot reach the edge here. So we have a lightweight smartwatch with a simple design. Okay, so let's focus now on the design of the wearable. So let's remove this. So we have a metal button here. I think this is rotary. Let's see. We have a flexible silicone strap with a quick release pin. Lightweight body frame. It is somewhat similar to the Watch S6. Okay, we have a brush finish, 2.5D tempered glass. Sporty strap, by the way. Let's turn this on and check out the specifications. Wafit, powered by Aolon or Aolon. Okay, skip. For the specifications, we have a 1.83-inch TFT LCD with a decent pixels. I'm going to put it here. 240 by 284 pixel resolution, Bluetooth 5.0 BLE, 7 days of battery life for normal usage, 15 days of standby time. We have a PC plus ABS material available in black, pink, and silver. So we have here the pink color. .22 millimeter watch strap. Again, here are the full specifications. 1.83-inch TFT LCD, 240 by 284 pixel resolution, and with 7 days battery life. Available in Android and iOS platform. Get or check out the full specs here. Next, let's check out the UI of the smartwatch. So here's the UI of the smartwatch. So I thought that this is a rotary. No, it's just a home and power on button. For the UI, on top we have the settings here and other options. On the bottom part we have the notifications. On this side we have the split screen, and we have the different widgets or components. Then to access the main menu, just press the power button. Okay, again, let's have a closer look at the Wafit Watch Metro 2. So what do you think of this smartwatch? Again, if you have any questions regarding this unboxing review of the Wafit Watch Metro 2, drop a comment below. And again, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.